Hello guys, after natin sa foods, after natin mag cave dun sa unahan lang banda dito, kakain tayo ng lunch. So tira, samahan nyo.
A few moments after.
Han, kung 1.5 to, 6,000 steps tayo. 6,000 steps. Hindi na, Han, okay lang. Hindi na. Han. Ano na lang tayo kay ano. Maki-wifi na lang tayo kay ano. Oo nga eh. Han. Ano?
That's right. This must be like a boat. Gets in the middle of the road. Oh, we're going down here.
Tatay.
Fighting Borough Mike.
Ano yung wifi?
Oh.
So, matagal ka na pala sa Manila.
Dugay na ko dire. Oo. Dugay na ko dire. Pero dito akong sa Davao gyud. Akong pamilya na dito. Kung ginikanan. Picture.
So,
Ask your guide.
areas po.
Where's the guide?
One, two, three, tingin.
Tingin.
Mabilis ah.
Tingin agad.
Jen, dito ka, sasali kami.
Oo nga. Oo nga. Oo. Ako na lang para kita ko yun.
Pwesto. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa.
Kiwi.
1, 2, 3, kiwi.
Kiwi! Ito ko na siya. Nangumo na.
Alright.
Alright, well, you've got the hang of taking pictures. But in the cave, just make sure no flash.
No flash, no flash. Okay. Walang flash to.
It will really hurt your eyes. have headaches, migraines, and on the fun day we discovered it can trigger epilepsy attack as well.
Epilepsy.
Because there's lots of writing down there, and then this thing just goes right beside you. Oh, it's just gonna hurt. And you get a rubbish picture as well. Yeah. Your cameras are pretty good. We've got lights down there. And we have designed this chip for wheelchairs. So it means for you it's flat. This sounds really obvious. Every day I'm going to see it, I've already seen it today. One person will come around the corner, might be a little bit darker on the feet, and they go, ugh. Wheelchairs, it's flat. You need to watch out for the person behind you. Because I have actually seen this. One person's going, the person behind us turns up and just goes,
Tutulak. Oh,
push
boryong.
you into the dark to see what will happen to you. But I've noticed it's never strangers. It's always friends or family. Least favourite child's up the front. That sort of thing. And to begin with, we're going to put you in the dark right at the beginning. Sort of get in there, and then the lights will come on. Good theory. We'll see how it works.
May isang likod kami.
1, 2, 3, tingin pa. 1, 2, 3, tingin.
Sunod-sunod na. Isang likod.
This is a camera. It's a video. Video cam. Small but terrible. Ay, tay, yung ano mo, maapakan mo yun, tay. Salamat po.
Si Tangle. Diyan. Si Tangle.
Madilim nga. Di pwede ang camera. Hindi rin nakakita. Hindi pwede ang camera.
I don't know if you go snowboarding or something, and you see someone smashing icicles, it's probably a cave guide therapy. Yeah, there we go.
Mahaba na siya, oh. Ganda, oh. Hinubog ng kalikasan. Hinubog ng panahon. Oh, oh. Hinubog yan ng panahon.
That's the only mammal that's taken. You see another mammal, almost like possum or sheep, that's come from outside. Oh, cool. Outside world. Just wondering what that noise was. Sounds like your pacemaker's going for it.
Ano ba tinurong na pasan?
Uy, doon din yun. Taas din.
Mga ako naglalakad pero mga pwede. Yung bilaw. Hindi na ako pipicture.
Kaya ulo tayo, ah.
Ulo. Yung gusto mag-grab.
Ulo.
Ang mga ulo.
Ulo. Dapat wala na silang ginalaw dito, no? Siniminto pa. Dapat din na nila ito.
Ano na lang.
Oo, dapat yung natural. Ginalaw kasi. Nilagyan ng simento. Doon sa Halong Bay, sa Vietnam, walang ginalaw. Putik talaga. Oh, sa Halong Bay, Vietnam. Wala talagang ginalaw, pati sa sa paa. Tsaka ang luwag ng cave. Ito, may ginalaw to eh.
Ganun na, no? Mga maulit na kamay. Perfect. Kaya pag ganun naman, ano?
Just gonna stop here for a while. Just take pictures of these. Kind of most of them.
Ang bigay sa kasi wala na lang. Wala na naman.
Yung bato ko na
Oh, depends how many pictures people take. Yeah. What we might do is I'll try and get the shorter people to stand, that's you two, stand over here. Now we get the short people over on one side and the tall people on the other side.
1, 2.
Oh, we're doing that.
Okay, yeah. Okay. Saan na dapat sa'yo? 1, 2.
Okay.
selfie ka yata. Ay.
So,
One more. Sorry.
busy doing selfies up the front, alright.
Okay.
Alright, so if we get the shorter people, if you stand on the right and the taller people come down on the left, I'll talk to you a little bit about this thing here. But the people at the back can't see, so if you two ladies stand over that way.
Okay.
And you go, no, mate.
No, forward here. Forward here.
Forward, sige.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can look over their heads, they're looking at this thing, so, yeah. There you go, you'll figure it out. Yeah, the shorter people get the front row seat,
Yes.
and taller people have to make do.
Two line.
Hmm.
Okay.
Pero
So you're
magkasya.
going to see a lot of these. They're called cave curtains or a cave shawl. Although I think in America, goddamn, America, I think over there it's also known as cave bacon, but they have not gone metric yet, so we don't care. But any idea on how the water made the cave curtain?
Cave curtain, that one.
Yeah, how did the water make that? Because up above,
Yes, yeah.
when it goes drip,
A lot of
off a
drips.
stalactite, it leaves limestone behind. That's how a stalactite is made. Water goes drip, leaves limestone behind. If water lands on your head and goes splash on your head, do not move for about 600 years.
You will
And every time it goes splash, it'll leave a bit of limestone behind and you'll grow a stalagmite on your head, but you cannot move. So how did the water make the cave curtain? Any ideas?
lot of drops.
It's just the water dribbles down the wall. It just moves down the wall, leaving behind the limestone. Have a look up the back where my shadow finger is up in the roof, where my shadow is. Hello.
Yeah. It's
Drip,
all one.
stalactite,
Yes.
drip,
That's
drip,
Venice.
Drip, 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 drip.
Appendix.
But here, when it came in, it just dribbled down the wall,
Yeah.
right at the front. Here you go, got two of them. And as water moves, it's leaving behind its little bits of limestone.
Yes. So it's creating.
It's all made by water. There you go. Oh, by the way, we have the things that go beef.
Deep.
Oh, this one up here, I like this one.
Parang macaroni. Salad. Potatoes. Gulay, kambing. French fries, dagko kayo. Grabing French fries nila dito guys. Oh. Dagko kayo. Oh, ayan, French fries. Gulay. Parang lumpia. Fried rice. Pansit. Pahabang buhay.
So everyone's steak?
Lahat na steak, pwede na lahat. Lahat na steak. Lahat na, pati ikaw te. Steak ka din.
Three fish or four fish? Three fish and the rest steak. Okay.
So you gotta rush out and get another cow. So what they will look, there's come around, there's Pepsi and there's 7-Up as part of this. But if you want get a soft beer and that, that's not soft beer. Well, you can do that. It's something pretty good now anyway.
Guys, Auckland, New Zealand at night. Pakita ko sa inyo ang ganap. Laka na po, lakag maoy po diri nga puti. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung ganap. Ito yung Auckland, New Zealand ng gabi. Ayan, yan yung ganap guys. Yan yung ganap, yung paligid. Yan, pakita ko sa inyo, napakalinis. Ay no, may parang reload on, no? Parang may reload on. Okay. Yung iba na ano sa camera ko, na-intimidate yung iba. Yan o, parang ano yan, ESB, parang bangko. Okay. Tapos, ano to, parang tow truck. Tow truck yata. Day and night traffic. Parang nag-ano ng mga ano, parang tagalinis ng kalsada. Yan. Tapos parang City Hall yata yung banda doon. Yan o. Mahilig sila dyan sa bike na ganyan, no? Yan, mahilig sila sa bike na ganyan. Ito pa. Yan, mahilig sila sa bike na ganyan. Yan, si ate. Mukhang Pilipina. Yun, no? Ako parang Pilipina. Yan, okay. So yung ganap dito sa Auckland, New Zealand at night. Yan, tahimik na. Kasi time check na pala. Ang oras ngayon sa Auckland ay 9:49 PM. 9:49 PM dito sa Auckland, New Zealand. At ito ang ganap dito sa kanilang lugar. Bali pala yung kalsada, yung mga left hand drive, imbis na sa right ang takbo nila, dito sa kaliwa. Parang sa Japan at saka sa Hong Kong, ganyan. Ayan yung bus nila. Okay, tapos ito yung mga lokal tatambay, siguro naghahanap ng nag-aantay ng bus dito, mga nag-aantay ng, kasi parang bus stop to parang waiting shed. Yan bus stop. Yan, ito bus stop. Yan, bus stop yan. Okay, parang ito theater, parang sinihan. Ayan Civic Theater. Okay, okay, ayan mahilig sila sa mga ganyan bike. Ayan mahilig sila sa mga ganyan bike. Okay, so yun bus stop talaga magkaharapan, puro bus stop. Okay, ito yung kanap dito. Ayan, mahilig sila sa mga scooter na electric scooter. Yan pa si kuya. Ano kayang meron doon? Cafe and bar. Cafe and bar. Ayan, ito yung mga buses. Yan, mga bus nila kagabi. City Universities. Yan, City Universities via West Lane. Ito, Remuera Road, St. John Road, Glen Times, number 75. Ayan yan, sumakay na sila yung mga lokal, pero galing sa trabaho, galing sa eskwela, dito sila nag-aantay sa bus stop na yan. Tsaka dito guys, safe yata dito kasi may nakikita ako na nagro-roaming ng mga pulis. Yan pa yan, double decker na bus. Ayan double decker, parang sa Hong Kong. Ayan kita ko sa inyo, yun parang sa Hong Kong. Yan. Yan ang ganap dito sa Auckland, New Zealand. Okay, so akit na tayo doon. Kaya tayo doon guys. Yan yung bali ito ang okay, picture tayo ng bus, double decker. Yan, double decker bus. Ang ganda ng bus, parang bago pa Ayun ang bus. Yan, yung bus. Maganda ng bus, parang bago. Yan, bus. Rakit tayo. May train station. May train station ayun Kaya pala mataong lugar. May train station, ayun guys Ang pangalan ng train station nila dito banda, ayun T.Y. Hurot. Hindi pa, tapasahin natin ulit. T.Y. Hurotyo. Ayan T.Y. Hurotyo. Ayan train station pala yan guys. Kaya ito yung ganap dito. Dilim na Wala ganong ilaw. Pero sa train station nila, maliwanag. Ayun, no? Train station, maliwanag. Yan. Tahimik na. Alas 9 pa lang. Tahimik na. Yan, may tindahan ng vape. Yan, tindahan. Another train station, ay bus station. Magkatapatan lang. Train station, bus station. Katapatan lang dalawa. So, lakad pa tayo sa taas. Dum-dum. Yan, bus station din yan. Si Papa, oh. Nag-aantay rin ng bus. Iyatag na ko ni kay Giselle. Giselle, imuhan na ning tiguang. Yan, oh, hatag na ko sa imo. Yan. Woo. Yun, oh, mga taxi, oh. Oh, ang taxi, oh, Tesla, oh. Tesla ang taxi. Ang taxi Tesla. Excuse me. Excuse me.